Alright, what's going on, friends? In this video I'm going to be talking just a little bit about these Halo ultra thin down lights. Now these ones are made so they can be in a bathroom with humidity and a little bit of dampness. I wasn't even going to make this video, but I just started wiring these up, and these are actually pretty dang nice, pretty simple for somebody at home. I do want to let you know I am not a professional electrician. So if you don't want to listen to anything I say, don't listen to me. But these are pretty cool. I will put some of these down in my description if you want to check them out. But these are the 6-inch. I'll show you what they come with. I got a package of, 4. So you will get, these are the lights right here. That's how thick they are. They have little springs on them here. They have these little springs that they're going to hook on, like on your drywall, like up here in the ceiling. I'll show you here in a sec. But you just got to cut the hole out. It'll come with a template. Pretty much you just got to measure like from here to here, and the hole's got to be just a little bigger than that. Not too big, because you don't want it to be bigger than this whole outer lip. But so this can hook over your drywall, or the first time I ever used these, I used these in my drop ceiling, which was real nice because I bought some smaller ones. Probably could still buy these because they're not real heavy, and you can hang them in your drop ceiling if you have like a drop ceiling in your basement. Pretty slick. And with each light you will get this little metal box. This is where all your wiring is going to go. You can put one wire in here or 2 wires in here. Like if I have a wire coming from my switch into here, I could run one light. Then if I have another light, I run another wire out of here to another light. But you just pop this open like so, and you have all these little push-in connectors. Then you have these little black things here that you can slide your wire in, so you don't have to buy anything to stick in here if you don't want. You can take these out and put your own little connectors in, but these seem to work pretty good. So you'll have a push-in connector for your neutral, push-in connector for your hot, and your ground. And I have 2, these are 14 gauge wires because I'm just running these lights, which made it a little easy in here, because what's the only downside I thought is there's not a real lot of room in here. So, oh, then you can also, I forgot that too, on the side of these, you can set your Kelvin, is that what it is? Kelvin setting. So you can get like a real white light, yellow light, different color lights here. So once you get them all wired up, you can check one and then just set all of them the same. If you have all 4 of them or whatever. If you only have one, then just set the one the same. I don't know, set them all different. It doesn't matter to me. But let me wire one up here and I'll show you what it looks like. It's real simple. The only thing I have to say, when you are stripping your wires, make sure, I'll show you, you don't strip them too far, because you don't want to push them in like, you don't want to push them in these push-in connectors and like you got a bunch of wires sticking out. You want it to be all inside there so it's safe. I have wire strippers here. I don't know if I can find some of these. I'll put these down in the description too. I like these wire strippers because it has a spot here and here for, this one's for 14 gauge, this is for 12 gauge. But I think these wires are quite long. Let me cut them off some. Make sure your power is off in your breaker box. I already did that, I've been working on this bathroom. Oh, and that's another thing. If you guys are just watching this, I just started a TikTok. My TikTok is diy.gym, or I'll put a link to my TikTok channel down in the description. I'd really be awesome if you guys would start following me on TikTok, because this whole entire bathroom right now is on TikTok, because I don't have time to make a YouTube video for everything in here. I want to get this bathroom done. That, and I'm not a professional at this anyway, but I do show you some of the stuff on TikTok. Yeah, you can just clip them like that, and then pull that insulation off like that. And then I always pull this paper off around the ground. Man, it's hot in here. And I'm gonna strip off some of this. You don't want to strip off too much. There. Strip off some of this one. There. 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 Flip these little things out like that. See how my wires can slide right down in there. I'm gonna slide my wires in there. Get these all out of my way. Slide my wires in there. And you want that, like the white insulation in there. You don't want to put just these wires in there. All right, so now all I got to do is take these push-in connectors. I'm going to separate these a little. You don't want to get them all tangled up or you're going to have a mess. Got the ground. So I'm going to push these grounds in. Make sure you don't push them in the wrong ones. I already did that. That sucked. Ground into the ground. Ground into the ground. 2 of them because I'm going to another light. I'm going to take that one. Push that down in there. You do one at a time. I got my ground in there. Now let me do the neutrals. Don't put them in the wrong ones. It's kind of a pain to get it back out. White into white. Give it a little tug. Make sure it's in there good. White into white. Tug, it's in there good. Now I'm going to push that down on this other side. Like that. Nice. Now all I got is the hot wire. I don't know if I can show you what I mean. When I push that hot wire down into that connector, this insulation on the hot wire goes inside the push-in. So it should be safe. You don't want to have bare wire showing. Easy speasy. Shut that. Take the light that comes with it, and that plugs into here. Easy, but you can just push this up in. If you got floor joists up there and you want to connect this to your floor joist, you can. Oh, it does come with, if you want to make it a little easier. Like I use these in my drop ceiling, and it was a little different brand, but these ones come with this bracket. I think this has to do with hooking this to like a floor joist. So yeah, there's 2 other little screws in the packet, real tiny little screws, but I think they're for these 2 little holes, so I can screw this on like this. Yeah, screw that onto there, and you can hook this to your floor joist, make it a little easier. Just watching the box, there's a little, let me show you. Those little screws come in these little package. There's little tiny screws in there. That's to hook that bracket on. I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to slide these up in between my insulation and my drywall, and then I'm going to hang my light off of this. All right, I got them all wired up. This is what they look like. This is them off. Ooh, it's dark. Oh, you can't see the one right above me, but those 2 there will come on. There you go. Lights. And this one over here is on this switch. And I have an automatic humidity sensor for my fan. Those things are awesome too. I like it because now my boys do not forget to turn the fan on, or I don't forget to turn the fan on. And then when you get out of the shower, you don't turn it off. It will just keep running for, I don't know, it runs for like 15 minutes till all that humidity comes out of your bathroom, and then it automatically shuts off. I love them things. So if you want to check one of them out, I'll throw one of them down in the description too, because I did buy it off of Amazon. So, all right, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. And like I said, check me out on TikTok. I will put a link to my TikTok down in the description, or just look up diy.gym on TikTok. God bless and have a great day.